Hey, what's up everybody? Michael from RoyalElements.com. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways to find sticker file ideas and get inspired so that you can print out stickers, cut them out, and stick them on. So first we're going to go to Pinterest. I am going to type in cute sticker ideas. And you see how it has all pins? We're going to want to select this and not just your pins so that we get all the ideas from Pinterest. So what you can do is you can go through these and let's pick a sticker we like. Let's look at this loaf of bread, this cat here, and then we can save it. We can save it to a board that maybe we already have. We can create a new board and say sticker ideas and then create. All right. So with Pinterest, very visual, we can even select different types of filters. Maybe it's Halloween, maybe it's a different theme that you want to go for, and you can add any of these, save them, save the image, and then print them out, okay? If you have printable vinyl like we offer at Royal Elements, or you're using some other sticker paper. So that is Pinterest. Lots of cool ideas and inspiration to pick up from here. Another method of finding sticker file ideas and designs is literally just Google search. So cute sticker ideas. Now, you will want to note that you cannot just, if you are a small sticker business, rip off images from online and sell them. But if you're just a hobbyist, this is completely fine, you guys. You can go to images, the image tab, and then search for different ideas. So we can look at just the images, like maybe you like this dinosaur and you can save this image, right click, you can open image in a new tab and you can take a look at it. You can zoom. Okay, this one a little bit granular, a little bit small, 225 by 225 pixels I saw there. And then you can continue to scroll through. Maybe you like this frog with a mushroom cap, which is very cute. This one is available for purchase, but in some cases, these are free downloads that you can go ahead and save. So for example, if you were just a hobbyist, you wanted to print stickers and, give them to your friends, family, significant other, something like that, right click the image, save image as, okay? And then make sure that the image looks good. So we could save this image. It is downloaded. This one seems to be very small. You could upscale this image. See how it's very granular, grainy? We could go to something like upscale.media. Okay, we can upload an image. We can go to downloads, find this image, boom, put it in here. It'll upload, it'll take a few seconds, and then what we can do is we can upscale this image, so twice as big, 4 times, 8 times as big. And then this way, the image will be upscaled and it will look cleaner and less pixelated, like much nicer here. See the original versus the upscaled version, original on the left, upscaled on the right. Way nicer that way. And then hit download and voila, we have a beautiful image that got upscaled for free. So here is that. So that is what I would do with Google. Okay, just look at images on the image tab. Maybe type different things in here if you want to look for kawaii sticker ideas, right? And then this way, you pick the one you like. You can upscale it if needed, download it, and then you can print it. Okay, if you're using printable vinyl, you'll stick that in your printer, or printable sticker paper, and then go to town and have fun and create a new sticker. The third way is to use Canva, okay? This will require you just to find images that you like off Canva. I have a pro subscription here at Royal Elements, and so what I would do is I would go to a custom size, select 8.5 by 11 inch sheets, because that is the size of our printable vinyl. And then I go into this element tab over here on the left-hand side. I would be looking mostly at graphics, but then let's once again look at cute kawaii animals, okay? And then from here, we'd open up the graphics tab, and then this is my preferred method. So let's say, we pick a few of these cute sticker ideas here. We can drag them, drop them, put them around. Like this guy's way too big. I don't need an image that big. And you see how as I drag it and resize it, you see the width and height, width 2, height 2.2, and that is in inches. Okay, so right off the bat exactly how big the stickers are going to be. You can spread them out. So let's say like, oh, you got these stickers that are overlapping. No worries. Just drag it over, and then you can hit share, download, and definitely download it as a PNG. The PNG file is the best way. It says PDF is good for printing. I don't believe this is actually true. I've tested it out with our printable vinyl with stickers. And then you will want to also make sure that the image size is fairly large. So about 1500 pixels by 2000 pixels. You can make it larger. That's absolutely fine. And then hit download. And that way, we will now have a beautiful design of these new custom stickers. Hope this video helped. If it did, leave a like. Make sure you're subscribed with the notifications on. And I'll see you in the next video.